40% of the entire population are chronic regular snorers. Well, there's a reason why that's bad. Snoring can lead to a lot of medical problems, including heart attacks, strokes, high blood pressure, and sleep apnea. Snoring can also lead to broken relationships and to stressful relationships. What causes snoring? Snoring is actually interesting. It's due to the nightly accumulation of a lot of respiratory secretions that end up in the back of the throat, and they cause a partial obstruction to airflow. So when you breathe in, instead of that air flowing smoothly down through the airway, that airflow becomes turbulent and it begins to vibrate the soft tissues in the back of the throat, and then you get that noise that many of us know so well. Snore Formula is a very unique blend of herbs, amino acids, and digestive enzymes. In fact, it was so unique that it was awarded a United States patent as long as 15 years ago. That was almost unheard of in that day and age. Snore Formula works in a very unique way. You take it on an empty stomach. When you do, the digestive enzymes are absorbed, they go to the source of the problem, and they begin to break down or digest all of those secretions so the body can then remove them and take them away naturally. The herbs and amino acids act to reduce the congestion and the inflammation in the airway and open the airway itself. So between those two things, we're able to open up the airway, smooth out the airflow, and the snoring goes away. I've saved the best for last. The best thing is it works in almost all cases the very first night you try it. So make yourself healthier, make your mate happier. Try Snore Formula tonight.